now have a date. This Friday, May 1st, that's when we know which counties will have coronavirus restrictions lifted. And Peggy, the state's apparently shifting from a regional reopening plan to a county-by-county plan.
And David, to understand why, all you really have to do is look at a map. Check it out. This is the state's heat map. You can see Allegheny County and Philadelphia are in deep red. They have the most cases. Places like Jefferson County have a much lighter shade. They have fewer cases.
Channel 11's Rick Earl starts our Team 11 coverage now at 5. He has more details on this big shift in the reopening of Pennsylvania. Rick.
Yeah, David, that's right. For the past week, we've heard a lot of talk about the governor's plan to reopen the state by region. Even a press release right here from his office indicated that last week. But today he backed off that regional concept and said he'll now consider individual counties.
I'm not sure how the impression that we're looking just at the health regions.
The governor today during a phone conference with reporters backing off of reopening the state by regions after questions about grouping Somerset County with 26 cases and no deaths in the same region as Allegheny County with more than 1,200 cases and 87 deaths.
There will be some subjectivity to this, but we're not wedded to any one region or any one way of looking at this. So we have some broad guidelines trying to be objective. But in the end, we're just going to look at what we can do to keep people safe.
But the governor's own news release last week indicated reopening by regions with the headline that Northwest and North Central regions could be first. And the health secretary has repeatedly talked about a regional approach.
There's some misunderstanding that we're wedded to specific regions. I think the health department has used their own regions in talking about things, but we're not going to be stuck with any one set of what a region is or what a county is as we go through this process.
Today, the secretary acknowledged the new approach.
We had put out a map in terms of our healthcare regions, but the governor has said that we're not going to be beholden to any specific map or any specific schema.
And the governor's still not saying yet what areas will reopen first.
We're going to do the best we can to start the reopening process in those regions and those areas that seem to have gotten to the point where they can afford to reopen without jeopardizing the health of the people in that area or that county.
Now, the Secretary of Health said today that the governor will have an announcement on Friday about those counties allowed to begin that partial reopening on May 8th. Live at the breaking news desk tonight, Rick Earl, Channel 11 News.